Hello all, I am Shubhra Chakraborty, Assistant Professor, Department of Telecommunications, RMBIT. So I am going to explain a program uh, which will perform the logical operations. So basically, three type of logical operations we have considered here. One is AND operation, one is OR operation, another one is exclusive OR operation. So let me explain what is the thing we are going to do here. So basically, we are going to consider two numbers. One is num1, another one is num2. So num1 is available at memory location. Num1 is available at memory location. Num1 is available at memory location 41H. Num1 is available at memory location 41H, and num1 is available at memory location 41H. So this is the memory location. First number we are going to give as a input. Then num2, it is available at memory location 42H. So 42H is the second data. So two numbers, 8-bit numbers, one is in 41H we are going to give input, another one is 42H, and we are going to store the output that is in 43H. So all the numbers, it is in hexadecimal, all the memory location, all the numbers definitely it is in hexadecimal given as an input, and the first number is num1, it is going to be given from the memory window 41 internal memory location, 42 internal memory location, and the results should be displayed, 8-bit result should be displayed at 43H. So this program we are going to perform three operations in same programs, or but one operation at a time. How it is? So the operation we are going to perform is AND operation, otherwise OR operation, otherwise exclusive of OR operation, by considering one switch, that is X. So that is the input we are going to provide. So the input, if it is equal to 0, it will perform AND operation between the two numbers. If input is equal to 1, it will perform OR operation. In input is equal to 2, it will perform XOR operation or exclusive OR operation. Any other input if we give as X, it will not perform any one of this, or nothing it will perform. And in that case, if it is nothing, the result will be 0. It will be displayed in 43H location, result is equal to 0. So none of this operation, if it is performed, result is 0. So this switch, whatever it is considered as X, and we have to give this input as 0 or 1 or as 2, this input is going to be given in form of in the memory location, that is nothing but in the memory location, that is nothing but 40H. Be very careful. So 40H is the memory location we are going to consider, or we are going to give the input as a switch input. Either it will be 0 if I want AND operation, otherwise it will be 1 if I want OR operation, otherwise it will be 2 if I want exclusive OR operation. So these are the conditions. So switch input is given at 40H. The first number input is given as 41H, second number input is given as 42H. Result we are going to display at 43H. If none of this operation is performed, result at 43H will be equal to 0, 0. Let me check now program. So already I have the programs in my this Word file form, and I'll open this skill. And also for our reference, already I have written the program in the editor window of the Kill software, and I saved the program with the name logical. Now what I have to do, I have to verify whether there is an error or not. I will go for build target. If required, I will go for rebuild target also. Now I have to just execute. Before execution, I am going to explain you. So first three lines, it is same origin, starting with the origin, then sjump 30H, then org 30H. So program code, basically it will start storing from 30H memory location, 30H ROM location. So first move a comma 40H. First instruction is move a comma 40H. What it will do? A content is equal to 40H. Then A, I am moving to R1 register by the help of move R1 comma A. So now 40H content will be moved to R1. So 40H content will be moved to R1. So as R1 content is nothing but the switch, either I can give 0 or 1 or 2 depend on which operation I want to perform. Then the num1 will be copied to the accumulator register by the help of the instruction move a comma 41H. So accumulator register, I have copied the first number from 41 memory location. Now whatever the number it is given as a switch input to the R1, we are going to compare it. What is that? Or we are going to check what is the input we have given. So by the help of this instruction called compare jump not equal R1 comma hash 0. So if it is not equal, if it is not equal, it will go to the label to check next operation. So first operation, what I told, first operation is AND operation. So if it is not equal 0, it will go to check for next operation whether it is OR operation or not. If it is not 1, it will go to check the next operation whether it is exclusive OR operation or not. So that is what it is happening here in this. So CK OR. So initially what will happen, we'll compare, we'll execute this instruction compare jump not equal R1, whether it is 0 or not. If it is equal to 0, what it will do, it will take the second input, second number from the or the num2 from the second location 40H, and it will perform AND logical operation as it was given in the question. First operation is AND logical operation. If it is, and it will store, next instruction is it will store the result that is there in accumulator to 43H. So if in case it is not equal to 0, it will go to the next label, that is CKOR, that is for OR operation. So it will, and after this AND operation, successfully AND operation is over, it will jump to SJump end 1. So SJump end 1 is nothing but the SJump end 1 is nothing but the end of the process. SJump end 1 is nothing but the end of the process. So finally end of the process is here at the third last line. The result should be there. Result should be there in 43H location. In case if it is not equal to 0, it will jump to the label CKOR, that is related to OR. Where is the CKOR? CKOR is equal to here. So second, this CKOR, it will compare whether input is equal to 1 or not. If that input that is there in R1 is equal to 1, so what it will do, already first number is there in accumulator register. So again it will perform the OR logical operation ORL between the second number that is there in 42H location and the first number that is there in accumulator register, and it will copy the result in 43 location and it will terminate the program. In case if it is not equal, it will jump to the next level CK XOR. CK XOR means here it is. So CK XOR, what it will do, it will compare with 2 whether my input is equal to 2 or not. If it is equal to 2, so this condition is false. What will you do? What it will do? It will perform the XOR operation. So XRL A comma 42H, the first number between XOR operation between first number and second number. Then it will copy the result. It will terminate the program. In case this condition is also false, compare jump not equal R1 comma 2, it is also false, it will jump to the label called other, EOTHER. So other label, what is there, it will clear the content of the accumulator. It will clear the content of the accumulator and it will copy a content or accumulator content to 43H. So clearing the content of accumulator means equal to 0 will be copied to 43H. So none of the condition is true, as I told, none of the condition is true for the switch, like X equal to 0, X is equal to 1 or X equal to 2. Else what will happen, the result will get in 43H location is equal to 0, 0. So now let me execute this program. So what I'll do, I'll debug. Okay. Then I'll open a editor window. So already it is open. So sorry, not editor window. I'll open a window called memory window, memory 1. Again, view, memory window, memory 1. Which location I am going to? Internal location. All are internal location. D:40H. Enter. So what I have to do now, I have to give say I have to give the switch operation. So with respect to the switch operation, say I want AND operation. So I have to give switch value is equal to 1. So let me give switch value is equal to so switch value is equal to 0, 0. Sorry. AND operation means 0, 0. So next location 41H, I have to give 2 inputs. Say I want to give 2 input is two input I have taken, say FF. One is FF. One is FFH, and another one is 0FH. Two inputs I have taken. Okay. Let me enter again. 0xFF. Like that also we can enter. Or 0x0f. So I have taken two numbers, FF and 0f. So if I perform XOR operation between, if I perform AND operation between them, what will be the result? That should be displayed in next location, 43H location. So let me execute the program, run the program one shot. So if I run the program in one slot, so next location I can see it is F0F. So the AND operation between FF and 0F is equal to 0F. Same input I will take now, and I will perform next operation is OR operation. Let me debug it again. Debug. Open the view the debug. Then this 40H location I will enter now 0 1, because I want OR operation to be performed. The input I will take FF and 0F. 0xFF, comma 0x0f. Two inputs I have taken. So what will be the OR operation between FF and 0f? It should be FF only. Let me run the program. So you can see the next location 43, it is FF. Now I will perform XOR operation between the same number 0f and FF. So first number is 0f. Sorry, first number is FF. Second number is 0f. Let me execute the program again. Debug. And so next option is key option is 02, because I want exclusive OR operation. So I have taken 02. And again I will take these two numbers, same numbers, 0xFF, comma 0x0f. So two inputs are there. So exclusive OR operation between FF and 0f, if I execute, it will become F0. So if I take exclusive operation between two numbers, like same numbers, it should become equal to 0. So again, if I modify this just for our quick reference, let me debug, and the option I have selected is 02. And let me perform the same exclusive operation between same numbers, like 11H and 11H. So what will be the exclusive operation between same numbers? If I perform, it will become 0, right? So I have taken input is equal to 11H, and another input also equal to 11H, exclusive operation between them. So I executed, ran the program, it will be equal to 0 0. So if I take exclusive operation, one more, just for our reference, exclusive operation between two complemented numbers, like say the option I am going to perform is 02, and option I am going to perform is 02, and two numbers I have selected like this. One is 0xF0, and another one is 0x0f. F0 and 0f. These are the two numbers, F0 and 0f. If I perform, what will be the output? Output will be high, that is FF. So exclusive operation is performed successfully. So let me run this program step by step. For one particular case. Okay, one more thing, if I enter anything other than that, what will happen? So that option also I should show. So let us consider that key, that the input of 40H location, I have entered anything like this 04, my choice. It is out of 0, 1, 2, anything other than that 04. And I have given some input to this location like 0xf1, comma 0xf5. Two inputs I have taken, and what will be, I have selected 4, means that nothing of this operation. So if I execute, it must be equal to 0, 43H. So I have executed, I have run the program. So you can see easily that 43H location, it is displaying 0, 0. So let me take one case like OR operation. So OR operation key is equal to 1, and let me execute this program step by step. So our operation means addition, of course. So I have taken the input is equal to 0, 1, that is the key, and I want to perform the OR operation between two numbers like 0xf0, comma 0x0f. So what will be the OR between them? It should be FF. So let me run this program with step by step. So first step, accumulator content is equal to 0, 1. That is nothing but the key. Then accumulator content is moving to R1. It is 0, 1. R1 is keeping track of key. Then first number is F0, that is there in accumulator. Then second number, so it is comparing. Now it is comparing that R1 with 1 or R1 with 1 or 2 or what. So finally R1 is equal to 1. So you can see directly it has jumped to that label called CKOR, compare jump not equal R1 hash 1, because it is 1, directly there is a jump to that level only because it will satisfy. Now it is satisfying, so it will copy the second number from 42. So first number already it is there in accumulator, that is F0, and it will perform OR logical operation directly to 42. So result is in accumulator, that is FF. Now where it will go, it will directly jump to the next instruction is sjump end1. So that line will be executed. Again, if I execute, directly it will jump to end1. What it will do, it will move the content of accumulator to 43H, and then it will go to the infinite loop, means it will be there, that there will be a break and it will be executing the program. So like this way, any one program will be executing one condition. Accordingly it will be executing one operation, and depend on that result will be displayed in the memory location 43H. Thank you.